Welcome to this Facebook hard course. It's always a privilege and pleasure for me to teach what I know and deeply interested in. Teaching in digital marketing is one thing I love deeply, and though getting courses together can really be a challenging task, but I want to say that I love every bit of the work. One advantage you have taking this course is that it is the freshest Facebook hard complete class that you will see anywhere. As you might have known or noticed, Facebook do change features on their platforms almost every time. And so, sometimes if you pick a course recorded, let's say 6 months ago, you might be surprised to see that quite a number of things have changed. But the whole of this course was recorded just this week, and it's particularly relevant to your business model. So, this course consists of 5 modules. In module 1, I explain the concept of Facebook marketing psychology as a social media platform and then a marketing platform. In module 2, I talked explicitly about targeting your ideal customer, which is one of the most important things that will determine if your ad will be a success or failure. In module 3, we begin our Facebook ad setup by setting up our Facebook business manager, without which you will not be able to run any Facebook ad. In module 4, I explain every feature of the Facebook ad platform so you know your way around the campaign, the ad set, and the ad levels. Expectedly, this is the longest lesson among all, and it's so important because it makes you get familiar with everything on the Facebook ad manager. Module 5 is divided into 3 different sections, which I walk you through different ad campaign setup and targeting skills in Facebook. So go ahead. While it's not uncommon to jump in between modules, but I will recommend that you watch all the lessons accordingly, and remember that you will only master Facebook ad when you learn and practice. So I hope you enjoy this course, learn, and I hope that your business will be the best for it, and it will be a time well spent. I'm always available if you have any question or even any debate or deliberations. You will always find my listening ears. Once again, thank you for investing in this course, and I wish you all the success you desire in your business. So without any further ado, let's jump to lesson 1 and get started.